You can see my screen?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. So I was saying that just look at the last price action that went through the level. Okay, someone else is joining. All right. Look at the last price action that went through the level. I'm gonna give you another level and you let me know. So what about this level? Is it fresh or unfresh?
Unfresh.
Unfresh. Why? Because the last price action that went through it is awake.
Yeah.
Okay, very, very nice. Now, once you understand and get if a level is fresh or unfresh, the next thing you should oh wait, Omar. Omar, are you here, bro?
I'm here, bro. Yeah.
No, not Umar. Omar with the O.
Yeah, I'm here. This is me. Yeah.
Oh, OC is Omar. Yeah. How
Yeah.
you doing,
Sorry
bro?
about
Yeah,
that. I'm
yeah.
good,
How you
man. Good.
doing?
Good. Thanks.
Yeah, I forgot that we had yeah, I was waiting for you today. So, um you understand what I'm going through so far?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, very, very nice. So, all right. Just I'm gonna re-explain something to you. So, for the daily levels, I'm gonna use them 4 times. What do I mean by 4 times? 4 times meaning that it doesn't mean that wicks 4 times, right?
Yeah.
It just means that used 4 times. Because for me, I use daily level once when it's only once when it's fresh. I don't use it second touch or third touch. You know what I'm saying? So for me, this is 1 time. So this does not count. It's 0.
Yeah.
Okay. So when it breaks, this is the second time.
Yeah.
And then 0. For you get me?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. So for weekly 4 times. Also H4, H1 2 times.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna learn storyline, the direction. You're gonna love this. Okay, so for storyline, we are going to always follow the what time frame? Which one is the best time frame for direction you think, Omar? OC.
Daily probably or
Yes, daily.
weekly. Yeah. On
And
daily.
then daily and then weekly. But the major best one is when they both
Line. Yeah.
align, exactly. But monthly we don't care. Monthly is just for very long term. All right. So how do you know where price is gonna hit next? When is it gonna turn? And if we are bullish or bearish? So let me give you this tip. So you go to the daily chart. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to look at the storyline, baby steps. So you go to the daily chart. You see the candlestick that is forming, 1 hour 29.
Yeah.
So if it's still forming, you guys remove it, right? You guys remove it, and then you look at the candlestick before it that is formed, right? And then what you do with it, you see the wicks. You take the wicks and you draw a box to the left, right? And then you take the wicks and draw the box to the left. And what you do in this box is you spot what? If there is any fresh level that we rejected as a wick. Okay, so in this box, do you see any level that has been rejected by this wick, Omar, or anyone here?
Not one that's fresh.
Yeah, but
Possible.
I'm talking about fresh ones.
Uh.
No
No.
fresh ones, right? It's
No
very
fresh.
simple to see. No
Yeah.
fresh. Yeah, don't overcomplicate it for yourself. No, nothing, so it means nothing. And then here, do you see anything that this week rejected fresh here? Also nothing. Very
Yeah.
simple, right? Yeah. So what you do, you remove it, and when there is nothing on a candlestick, you keep going backwards, right? You keep going backwards. Now, did this daily reject anything from the top and the bottom?
Yeah. The gap that's right next to it.
Yes, exactly, right next to it. And what about this bottom wick? Rejected this V.
Yeah. Yeah. That one. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Now let's check if it actually touched it. The broker uses Pepperstone for trading view, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So we rejected these levels right here. So rejected this one and this one. And after that, you drop 1 time frame lower to confirm simply a breakout, but that breakout has to be external. I'm gonna explain in a minute. So you have a rejection from both sides on the daily. You drop one time frame lower, which is
H4.
H4.
Oh.
So once you go to H4,
Bro, did you
someone
ask
in
me
the
something earlier on
background.
because my connection went off?
No, I did not ask you anything.
Oh.
I asked the other Omar. Yeah. You have two Omars, one with the U and one with the O. I don't know which one is correct. All right. So H4, you go to H4. And when you go to the H4, you look where price touched, right? You look where price touched. So price touched the daily from the bottom here and touched the other daily from the top here. Let me just remove the confusion. You put a vertical line on that daily that rejected, right? So you go to that daily wick right here, you put your vertical line, and then you go to H4 on the levels, right? You go to H4, and we started the day from here. We have our first touch here, and then we have our second touch here also. So once we opened, we touched both dailies at the same candle. And then you look at what? You put your vertical line and look before it. You forget the price action after. Look before it for any AMV levels. So what is the recent AMV levels do you see here?
There's the A at the
This
top.
one?
This one.
Yeah, this V at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And you wait for one of them to break the same day or the next day only. Okay?
Yep.
Now, did we break any the next day?
The bottom one.
Yes.
V, yeah.
So if you break the bottom one, right? Are you bullish or bearish?
Bearish.
Bearish. So your daily is bearish,
Bearish.
but where is your target? So now you know how to identify direction, right? But I'm gonna show you for how long is this gonna last, okay? So once it breaks, price goes lower. There. So you see this rejection right here? This whole daily, you just mark something like this, right? If you are bearish, you're going to look for fresh levels below this daily. Do you see any fresh levels below this daily?
No, sir.
Right here.
No.
Nothing. So I'm bearish until the next fresh daily. Where's the next fresh daily? Look here. Where's the next fresh daily?
Sir, I have
Where is it,
question,
guys?
sir. I'm confused. I'm confusing,
Yes?
sir. Like to pick which one. Like we have the gap. We have a lot of levels. sir.
Anyone,
This is a
anyone,
gap.
bro.
This is
Anyone.
okay.
Just the closest one.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so you keep going lower. Nothing until, oh, fresh level, you stop. You know what I'm saying? Anyone. Gap, A and V. So where is the next fresh level? Do you
Okay,
see,
sir.
guys?
For gap. Maybe. Okay.
Okay. Give me
This one,
a,
sir.
okay, nice.
This
All right.
one.
That's what I'm
This
targeting.
one.
Why this one? This one is weak. Look at this. This is not fresh.
Okay. This is not gap. Okay. I feel that it's a gap candle, sir.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. This is a closing, right? And this is the opening. This is not the whole level. The level is on the closing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So this is my target. This is what I'm targeting. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna go all the way down. I might just do this. And maybe I'm gonna reverse and go back up. But how do you identify that? So you keep selling and selling and selling until what you have, until you have a rejection from the bottom from this level maybe, or the price simply can do this, right? It can make a level and reject that level itself. So if it rejects this level itself, and you have an H4 breakout before the vertical line, right? That means we're going to the next daily above.
Yes, sir.
Do you guys get it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it might sound confusing for you, but is there a simpler way that I can show you this? Because I don't have the replay button on the H4 of the subscription. I'm broke, guys. Okay. Yeah, bro. So, can you tell me about your perspective about storyline before, Omar, like OC? How did you used to look at storyline? Or
To be
basically,
honest, I did it purely from kind of like the ICT world view
oh,
of
so
it.
you look at the daily, where is the fair value gap and next
Yeah,
liquidity run
exactly.
and stuff?
And all the blocks and all that
Yeah,
fun
and then
stuff. Yeah.
you follow it on SNR H4 levels.
Yeah, and then lose money. Yeah.
That's
Basically.
funny, bro. That's funny. I mean, it works. Listen, it works, but the entries you have to use SMC also. You can't use SNR because because you know ICT is a short-term trade. You're not gonna
Yeah.
swing or whatever. You're gonna take that 5-minute or 15-minute trade and get out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So you're not gonna be a holder for too long. So that's why the bias of SMC, like if you noticed, ICT always analyze like this. So he's gonna say, we have a sell side here, or
Yeah.
and then we have wait, I'm just gonna give you my stuff. And let's say there is a fair value gap here, right? So and we have a fair value gap here. So price can do this or do this. Of course it's gonna do that or this. It's 50-50. It's either gonna go up or down, you know what I'm saying? So
Yep.
it's not really a fixed target. Yeah, it's not really a fixed target.
Yeah.
So for now, we have a solid target. I'm selling until there, or if I have a level that will get what? Rejected plus H4 breakout. So the H4 breakout, I'm going to explain the internal and external. So you have a daily and a rejection of the daily, and price is approaching on H4. So you see once it touch, the change of character is here, right? It's not here.
Yeah.
No. So you're gonna wait for price to break this on this line chart. Okay, line
Basically,
chart.
before the touch, basically.
Yes, exactly. So once it breaks, you know that we're going to the next daily.
Yeah.
So when we go to the next daily, how do you know we're gonna stop there and go
Just
back up?
look for a rejection and breakout again.
Exactly. So once you have that, you're buying until the next daily. But if
Yeah.
you don't have that and price keeps going lower for like 40, 50 pips and doesn't even break and keeps breaking structure lower, that means you're going to the next daily.
Yeah.
And so on and so forth until you have the daily for breakout.
Yeah.
Amazing. Now, to continue the next syllabus, you guys have to pay 1K USD. I'm joking. All right, so I did not see this. Oh yeah, because I removed it. So when we close this daily, right? When we close this daily, look at this wick. What it's gonna do? See that?
Yeah.
Ah, got you, little boy. So you reject that. You put vertical line. Go to H4. So where did we touch? Okay, we opened the daily here and touched there. So you put it on the touch. See that?
Yeah.
So if we break this and we reject, we confirm that the daily story is bearish one more time. You know what I'm saying? It has been bearish since here or whatever. Since up here. Why? We had this one. We had this one basically. We had this one also. So we had daily reject daily, H4 breakouts. It never actually did a daily reject daily and H4 breakout. So if you check here, you might have a daily reject daily, but the H4 breakout, look, it's way above. It didn't break. So it might broke internal structure, but it didn't break the external. So that's why price kept going lower and lower. It has been failing to go higher. So now we are going to follow price until the next daily. The next daily is here. So yeah, maybe the next day is gonna do this, and then the day after is gonna do this, reject, and then boom. So you're gonna be marking the next fresh levels. This one, this one, this one as a target. How do you know
Yeah.
you're gonna stop? Waiting for H4 breakout and the rejection. Any questions, guys?
Yeah, I have
No.
one question.
Yeah.
What should we do when there is a consolidation for many days, like from in the June month?
It doesn't matter. You see here?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you see here? Just look at the daily reject daily. Like look at here. What do you have here? What do you have here? V being rejected, right?
Yeah.
So look at H4 breakout, then buy. What do you have here? They reject daily. Buy. See that? And then they reject daily, right? But price breaks. So simply just keep following the they reject dailies, they reject daily, and then look at H4, right? You get what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, that's what you should do. Just follow daily reject dailies, and that's it. See that? They reject daily above, they reject daily below. Look at always H4 structure. So if H4 break higher, buy. If H4 break lower, sell. Right?
Bro, I got a quick question. You know, currently on H4, because price is a bit choppy, you said for it to go bearish, what level does it need to break?
The last level that has been made before the touch of that
Yeah, I
daily.
couldn't see it
So you
properly,
see-
so can you just show me, please?
Yeah, so you see this daily level?
Yeah.
Okay, price touched it here, right?
Yep.
So you see price touched it here, and then you look at the last V level that has been made before it. It's here. It's not gap, guys. We don't use gaps for storyline.
Oh, is that one there?
Storyline,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
you see this one?
Yeah.
This V. And it's gonna get broken soon, right? In 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Oh, sorry, I thought it's the other V on the left, bro. I thought it's that one.
This one?
Yeah, I thought it's that. It's not
That's
that
not
one.
the last one that has been made. It's this one before the touch.
Okay.
So once we break it, we confirm bearish more. We are all look. Do you see any structure being broke external? Not this one. Do you see any high that has been broken?
No.
H4, nothing, bro. Why buy? Why buy? Why? How come people in the group tell me to buy, bro? Keep selling. Sell the beach. Yeah, man. My storyline is the best. Anyways. Yeah. Let me check 1 hour quickly.
Hello?
Yeah. I might
Okay,
have a good
thank
sell
you.
from here. I might have a good sell from here for tomorrow, or from here. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I picked this candle later. Yeah. So you do the same thing with the weekly storyline. So weekly reject weekly and
Daily
And-
breakout.
Daily breakout.
daily breakout. Habibi, yes. Let's go.
Quick
So
question,
weekly
Amin.
reject. Yes,
Amin?
sir.
Now, I know this may sound a bit awkward.
No, bro. You can ask, bro. It's okay.
Yeah, a lot of those who trade all of these, everyone is looking to trade gold. What about those of us who don't trade gold? We only trade Euro, USD. Can we also apply this?
Yeah, you can apply it in any pair. I have a student that have 10 pairs, and this is what he does. 10 pairs, and I teach 7 entry types, right? I teach you how to enter 7 types. And the guy picked the best one. He picked one, and he look only for that entry on 10 pairs, and he only execute that. So it works, but trade what you're comfortable with. I personally suggest you go with gold, because gold give you the 7 entries and it respects them a lot with a high win rate. For me personally, I can't tell you other pairs. I traded GJ. GJ is nice. GU is nice. Euro USD is not really good for SNR. It's a bitch. Don't trade Euro USD. Trade
Yeah.
trade other forex pairs.
No, I
But
mean, that is
yeah.
why I wanted to hear from you because you have been using it. You know the success rate. That is why I asked the question. I don't want to
No. It
put
works.
peg
It works on other
random.
pairs. Don't worry. No,
Yeah.
it works. It works.
I mean, bro, I wanted to ask a question.
Yeah.
Bro, you know, for the last few days, price has been bearish, but you know, like on the H4, it's not really hit the apex. And then, you know, in the group, a lot of people send entries on like M30, M1. So I don't really know what they're
I'm
going
gonna talk
against.
about it in the entries. Don't worry. So it never really comes back here and then sell, right?
Not for the last few days. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm gonna fix that for you. So,
Sir, sir, I have questions, sir, and I still confused on that. Sir, go to weekly time frame, sir. Sir, you okay, this is weekly. Sir, see, this is weekly reject weekly here, sir. This place, okay, sir, and this is daily breakout. Okay, on daily time frame, this is a breakout,
weekly
sir.
breakout. Let me check the daily.
Yes, sir, and then
the daily breakout
yes,
is
sir.
here, bro. Why up there? It's just here.
Yes, sir. Here, okay. So then price come to this apex. Why it's not, sir? Like the price not, sir, respect this place, sir, to this place. Like we are on the weekly, we are.
Okay. Wait. So you see, this is the breakout.
Yes, sir.
You see the breakout. After the breakout, the apex is formed already. This is the apex, bro. The last level after the breakout. So we're expecting price to do this. I'm gonna explain in entries. That's why price pullback can go up.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. So this one is no more valid. Yeah, you see, so you went with this level because you thought this is the breakout, but no, it's this one. Breakout, pullback, entry.
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Breakout, pullback, entry. You can't entry again. No. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I write this question for 5 days, and today now I remember. That's okay, sir.
No worries. This session is going to be recorded. Don't worry, guys.
Is it always apex or left shoulder, bro?
But I'm gonna explain in entries. Don't worry. Now, after I explain the storyline very well to you guys, I think I have something I forgot to talk about storyline. Yeah. Okay, did I tell you that if a new level is made and then it rejects, it might create an H4 breakout and maybe go up?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I did mention that. Any questions?
Nope.
Okay,
how do
now
you
you know
tell
what?
which is the hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, may I know how do you consider which candles are the rejection candles on 4 hour from daily to 4 hour?
We don't look at the rejections on the 4 hour. We only look at the direction of the daily.
Yeah, but you say there's a rejection on the candles, then we look for what time frame breakout?
We look at rejections on daily and the breakout on H4. We look at the rejections on weekly and the breakout on the daily.
So how do you check the rejections? What are the different types? Like just only the wick and the body?
Yeah, just wick rejecting a fresh level.
Okay.
Yeah, just simply like this. See level, up, candle, boom, rejection. There is no types of rejection. This one can be a gap, it can be an A, it can be a V, you know what I'm saying? It can be anything, just fresh.
Got it.
Okay, got it. Nice. Now let's analyze US30 together. Okay, US30 is nice. Yeah. So what do we do? Give me steps.
Take away the first candle,
we will go
the current one.
Exactly. Come on, bro. Oh yeah, we are on the H4. Right, let's take this one. Now what's next?
Take the wick top and bottom and see what levels it might have reacted off.
Yeah, and go to 4H.
The vertical line.
No. Before.
So
before
at the
H4.
bottom, there's a gap.
Yes.
level,
First we
then
check,
it's
yeah,
reacted off.
first we check rejection, and then we check breakout.
I actually don't.
One
I
type
can't
lower.
see the top one if I'm being honest.
There is nothing on the top.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I couldn't see it.
Yeah, and then you go to H4.
And then look for
Wait.
the
It's yeah. Just put vertical line first. Then you go H4. So vertical line, where did it touch? It touched right here.
Yeah.
So before that, we have a what?
the A
A
shape.
level. Did it break?
Yep.
A and V.
Yeah. Breakout, pull back,
Yep.
entry. Okay.
Nice.
So you could have got a buy right here, but it did not really go for longer, right? So the storyline was bullish. So we could have bought until the next fresh level, but the next fresh level is way up there. This one is confusing.
So has the current candle's top wick just reacted off the close of the previous close, isn't it?
What you say, bro?
So does that mean, like, for example, we've got this giant wick that comes down. Has that essentially reacted off of 2 days ago, the bullish candle's close?
I don't get it.
As in we were long, but then
This one, bro.
it's kind of
Oh yeah, wait.
yeah.
Yes. I know this level. We're not talking about the candle. This one yet. No.
Okay,
Focus on this one. So this one give you an H4 breakout, right? And give you a small buy. But did it go to this level?
No.
So the scenario that we talked about, that it might create a new level and reject it and give you another H4 breakout, happened, right? So this is where you should be aware, basically. So now what do you have? A new daily level. What do you have here?
An A.
Rejection, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So did it get rejected? You go to the vertical line, and then you go to the H4, and then where did it touch? It basically touched there. So you go line chart before it. Do you have something that got broken?
Yeah.
This one. Yes. Now, are you bullish or bearish? Bearish. Now,
Bearish.
after 1 hour, we will be bearish. So my target will be below this wick, right? Where is my target? Give me the next target. Very simple.
The next gap below.
Yeah, this one.
This gap, yes.
Sorry again. This is where I'm expecting price to go. So I'm waiting for pullback, entry, boom, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically direction, storyline. Okay. Any questions, guys? I'm gonna explain entries, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna get to it right now.
Sorry.
So pullback, entry, whatever. It's very easy. Don't worry. Thank you so much. Yeah. No questions?
No.
No questions. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Can I take a small break, guys?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Gonna
sure.
take
Go.
like 2 to 5 minutes. Be right back.
Okay. See you.
Other members, are you available here now?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, just wanted to know, like how is this method working? Like, is it profitable in the long run?
I think
Just
we are
curious
all
to know.
just chatted off, bro. Yeah.
Oh, just started out because I knew
Yeah.
somewhere there who are old student.
And
All are
probably in
new,
the
I think.
group, but not here. Yeah, this is pretty new. And I think we started this group a couple of weeks back. I think last week or the week before, not that long ago.
Okay. Like
Yeah,
at
he
the
was
end of
talking
the
about the
day,
main group. Yeah, the where we have the lot of people. That was started probably long back, and there were all students. But this is not the
okay.
one. Yeah.
As you were saying, like there are like 7
I
method
saw my old
strategy.
mentors.
So I'm like lost like
I
7
saw my
strategy we're
old
gonna learn.
mentors. They also involved in this demolition and support of resistance.
Oh, okay. So the like when you catch the trade, it's like a swing trades you hold for long or just the intraday.
You will check every day. When
Oh,
your daily candle close, you will take decision on the base of daily candle, how it's close. So then you will
okay.
gonna decide it's like to be a swing trade or to be intraday. Depend on you which time frame you like daily, weekly, or 4H. Some people doing scalping on 4H, 1H, 30 minutes. Yeah, if you watch the other videos in the group.
No, I have no idea because I was thinking of like going for the first class, so then I can gradually watch the other videos because many of the videos are like so advanced students, and I get lost in between.
Mostly,
So
no. All videos are same. All videos are same because all are like mostly the new students. So they are the teacher. I mean, is make for them. All are same video. Like today, what we are learning today now, the previous videos all are same like today.
Zaman bhai,
Same syllabus.
so anyways, in the free time, I will
Yeah.
just go through the videos again and if I have some
Zaman
questions
bhai,
because he said like there are like 7
Yeah.
different strategies. I will like will not get lost into getting into 7
So
strategies.
you
So
will no.
Hello,
Actually, you
hello.
will
It's not 7 strategies. It's 7 entry types. So
okay,
it's
sorry.
yeah, 7 entries, bro. No. So you traded SMC before?
Yes, I do.
You know what's a breaker block, order block, and stuff?
Yes.
So order block, breaker block. These are 2 entry types. Okay, not 2 strategies. Yeah, it's the same. It's very simple. I'm gonna explain in a bit. Yeah, bro.
I was just
7
asking.
strategies. Nah, 7 strategies. Are you crazy, bro? No. All right. Okay, come back. So the entries. I always forget to mention. Astaghfirullah. Okay. For when you graduate, basically the way you graduate is basically show me good progress of flipping a small account. It can be demo, I don't care. Or get funded, or maybe you're not gonna end up profitable after week 2, but you're gonna show me that you understand my entries. You're basically getting the same entries as mine. I don't care. So it's up to me to decide if you graduate or not. Just do your best. So once you graduate, you will learn my CE entry. So the CE entry consists of taking a low risk entry, okay, low risk entry with a 5 pip to 7 pip stop loss max, okay. So this entry is I used to teach it basically to all my students, but then I changed my mind because not everybody deserves it. But in the refreshment videos, you might have an idea about it, but it's not really complete there. So yeah. Once you graduate, I will teach you that entry.
Sir, one question like I do have like university in the morning time. I do get only free time during the New York session. So this method I can work also New York session.
It can work at any time. It doesn't have to
Okay.
be London. Yeah, just put limit and go sleep. Yeah. And OC might be wondering, you're aware of consequent encouragement?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I use that. That's my CE entry.
That's your secret. Sick.
Yeah,
Can't
yeah,
wait.
bro. But I'm gonna show you how I use it for high RR, low risk entries. Yeah,
Show me the
amazing,
money.
bro.
Oh.
Amazing. Trust me. Yeah. Let me show you an example, right? So you see this daily?
Yep.
See this daily? Okay. So look how many pips that gave us. Okay, just look how many pips, right?
Yep.
That's 100 pips, right? Now, let's put a buy there with 5 pip stop, right? Just an example. Just an example.
20. Yeah.
Just an example. I'm gonna show you how it works, and you're gonna see. So this is about
20.
21R, right? Yeah, 21R. So this is, you're wondering, where is the consequent encouragement here? I just showed the daily level. Now look at this. You see this daily?
Yep.
Check this out.
Yes, sir.
What is it aligning with on the weekly?
Nah, that's brilliant.
Nah.
That is genius.
Nah.
I like that. I
Nah,
like that.
bro. Yeah,
That's good.
yeah. Okay, that's just a
One
hint, bro, how to use it.
One shot get funded.
Yeah, one shot got funded, bro. Look at
Oh, I
this.
like
Look at this. Let me give you another example here. So you see this breakout,
Sir,
and then
we will
pull
be in
back.
doubt, sir. We will be thinking that teacher not teach us.
No, I will teach you. I will teach you. But you see this break, pull back right here, right?
Yeah.
I did not enter here. I entered over here. You know why?
Rejection
Check this
block,
out.
something.
50.
Oh,
The
fuck that.
rejection wick
Fuck
50.
that. What do you see?
0.5.
Yeah, 50% of that one. Sick.
What's that? Bro?
50% of the increase.
Wow.
Yes. So you quite have an idea now of the 50% stuff, right? Right?
Damn.
You might have an idea of that. But to completely understand how I personally use it every single day with literally, I'm not capping, it's higher than 50% win rate. And you know what's 50% win rate with high RR? It's insane.
Yeah,
Right?
that's
So,
unreal.
yeah. I will be teaching you that, guys. Don't
So
worry.
that's why you open.
Oh,
Also,
that's the 10% you were talking about, right? The
yes,
10%
exactly.
secret.
Yes.
Nice.
And as you might think, no one uses it because no one actually understands consequent encouragement.
That's the advantages of coming from ICT. Right?
Yeah, bro. Look at that. Look at that. It's so precise. This one did not hit. Maybe sometimes it's a broker thing. But you see every week the price changes for some reason. Every week, like price, this literally was touching, and I got buy right here, but I don't know what happened. But it happens.
That's sick.
Yeah, this is the advantage of coming from SMC, bro.
Yeah, that's wicked.
Yeah, bro. You can use it on weekly, daily, H4, and H1. All the time frames. Here I got greedy, so I was waiting for this. But then price touched this and fly with only one lot. So I was putting 10 lots there. Then price boom, just go without me. Yeah, sometimes it does that. Yeah. Anyways, hope that made you quite excited to put in some efforts, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna flip an account tomorrow.
One trade to the moon. Yeah. I mean, with 5 pip SL, you can put a leverage on 2000. You know what I'm saying? It won't hurt your account. Won't hurt your account. You can risk 20%, 50% with 2000 leverage. That's it. All right. So next,
Sir,
entries.
sir, my question is, sir, some broker gives 2000 leverage, sir. For example, sir.
Yeah.
So
go for
sir,
it, bro.
if you put 5 pips or 10 pips, 5 pips, 10 pips, it's not, sir, how our what we says our account, sir. If you put 5
No,
pips,
it won't
10
blow
pips.
it. It won't blow it. It won't blow it. But if you put 30 pips stop loss, it will definitely blow it at 15 pips. If you put full margin at 2000 leverage, any account size, you keep spamming, it will blow at 15 pips. But if you...
Sir, how the leverage is working, sir?
I don't know. I don't want to do math right now, but yeah. Yeah, bro. Anyways, let's go to entries and we talk about the risk later, okay, bro? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. So you're gonna have high risk entries. What are high risk entries? The high risk entries are basically including very high risk setups. Yeah, that's basically it. But how do you actually trade it? So you see the target. I taught you about storyline. Daily reject daily, H for breakout, right? So now is daily is bullish or bearish? Bearish.
Bearish.
Now the target is daily, right?
Yeah.
If price is approaching this and you buy instantly, that is
High
high
risk.
risk. Yeah, but with the CE, it is not. Okay. So yeah. So daily target
Sorry,
is.
what is CE? Sorry.
Oh, after you graduate, bro.
No. I'm not
The
asking you
50%
to.
of the week.
No,
I'm
no,
not
it's
asking you to teach me
50%.
CE. I'm
It's
asking what is the meaning of CE?
consequence encouragement. Okay.
From ICT.
Consequent encouragement is 50% of anything. So if I split you in half, that's your consequent encouragement. You know what I'm saying? All right. So yeah, high risk. So our target is this. So if price is coming here, you buy instantly. That is high risk, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry, Omar, with the queue, I'm gonna show you how to get many entries besides low risk, okay? Once we get
Right,
to
bro.
the
Respect.
yeah, for sure. You're in my mind, don't worry, don't worry. So you're gonna have this as a target, but do you buy instantly here, guys? No,
Nah, bro.
you refine to H4.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. If the level is fresh on H4, what the fuck is this? Yeah, flipping hell, bro. I don't know what's that.
Bro,
But yeah,
Pepperstone is like that, man. I've realized.
but that's literally what IC Market says on MT4. That's the best to use, mate. Yeah. So for me, this is not looking good. I'm gonna use this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And then refine to H1.
Sir, check on the forex.com maybe.
Okay.
Data is
H1. No, I don't use
same like
forex.com.
IC market.
No, not IC Markets.
Okay.
Pepperstone is literally IC Markets. And then on the H4, what is it? Aligning with? No. Okay. So that is a high risk buy. Why is it high risk? It's against storyline. That is simply how to use high risk. So you are going from weekly to weekly, right? Where is our weekly target from weekly to the next weekly? This one. You see this buy? It was high risk, but it worked. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it worked. So high risk, you can see it's 50-50 flip coin. It might work and it might not work. The only reason I would use high risk, right? If you are an Instagram Forex trader and you want to share some sniper entries. Okay, that's it. Besides that, it does not flip accounts. It does not pass prop firms. No. Got it, guys?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. All right, now let's go to the medium category, medium risk. Medium risk. So in medium risk, you're going to have the rejection entry. So I told you storyline having what? Rejection and the breakout. But medium risk, we're going to wait simply for this. No breakout and rejection. So you see this? This is only a rejection, but do we have a breakout?
No.
No. So this high right here, one price pullback, and then sell is medium risk. Why is it medium risk? Because it did not break this. Understood, guys?
Yeah. So would that
yeah,
be on the 4 hour, basically? So you're saying
yeah,
essentially
basically 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. And this level you refine to 1 hour.
one, yeah.
Yeah, and then see. Haha. Anyways, so break pullback is low risk. If it breaks, it is low risk. So that is my low risk entry. If it breaks, I'm waiting for pullback to the last level above and then sell. But here's the thing, Umar, with the U. So you always keep waiting for the pullback and price never actually comes back to the apex, and then you become confused. Do I wait? Do I sell, buy? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
This is
bro.
what you do. Price sometimes do this. Breaks, and you have two scenarios. The first scenario, actually two scenarios. The first scenario is price, pull back, and you'll be happy, pass your first phase, second phase, or get a big payout, whatever, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The second example is price going maybe halfway and going lower, right?
Yeah.
The third one is price doesn't even pull back, it just keeps going, right? How do you sell in this scenario? How do you sell in this scenario? How do you sell in this scenario? In this scenario, you're going to use the low risk entry, the basic one, the first one, right?
Yeah, at the apex, yeah.
Yes. In this one, we're going to use the pullback entry. It is also low risk, pull back entry. Okay. Pullback entry. And once, yeah, there is a difference between pullback entry and difference between breakout pullback entry. Yeah, BBE. That's from 411. I'm wondering where I got that. Anyways, so you're gonna have pullback entry. Pullback entry, not to the apex. So how do you sell from here? You're gonna have what? A zone from low to this high, full of what?
Fresh levels.
Fresh levels. Which one is going to sell from? You're going
That's
to
what
monitor.
confuses me, yeah. There's a few QMs, so
Yes. Yeah. So you're gonna have QM, you're gonna have this V, you're gonna have this gap. What? Where is the priority? The first priority is going to go for QM. Right. I'm not talking about the apex. The apex is always the priority. But if price does not go up there, what is the next priority? It's the QM. And then the other priority is to the gap levels.
But I think, do you know what it is with me? I think I don't know how to recognize the QM properly.
Oh yeah, you just go to line chart and see something like this and then price covering it. That's QM.
Okay.
Very simple. You might have something like this.
Yeah, it be like that at times, so I don't know. Yeah.
That's QM, bro.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, you're gonna get used to it. So it doesn't have to be. You don't have to identify it as a QM. Just look at it as a fresh level.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna have QM, and then you're gonna have gap levels, right? And you're gonna have the V. So I highly suggest you ignore this. Okay.
The V.
You ignore this. Yes. You always monitor the H4 gaps that look clean. Okay. Very good.
Could you?
And then
sorry, I mean, could you write gap there, please? Those lines, just write GAP or G. No. In that location, just write it on that location. Yeah, just write G. Just put G.
Top G. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Bro, do we need to refine them or not?
Yeah, of course you need to refine from H4 to H1. And then what, bro? You're gonna tell me, oh, but I mean, I have H4, H1 here, H4, H1 here, H4, H1. They're all good looking and they're all fresh. It's very simple. You go to M1. Right? What do you do on M1? Price is approaching this level. What you do on M1? You wait for a trend break on M1. You know what's a trend break? This is taught in baby pips. Price, when it's going higher, it's making higher highs and higher lows, right? Look at this trend. Okay, that's a an uptrend. So when it clearly breaks, you put a sell here with 30 pips stop loss. That's it. So what you're doing is you're monitoring all the levels, and the level that gives you the M1 breakout, the M1 trend break, you are selling from, right?
Yeah.
Let's say this one does not give you an M1 trend break. You're waiting for this one to give you M1 trend break. If this one doesn't give you, waiting for this one. If this one doesn't give you, you're waiting for the apex. Apex, you sell instantly.
Yeah, no, I got you.
Do you ever get faked out?
What you
I
say?
was going to say that, bro. Yeah. So, sometimes what I'd be worried about when you said go on M1, like there where you wrote G, there's multiple levels, right? I'd be like, for example, just say there's a M1 break, and price goes like 15 pips and then it'll just continue going up. That's like that's what like stops me from sometimes entering, bro, because I have a bit of doubt. I'll be like, if price breaks that, so like see now, yeah, if price breaks through the trend line and I sell and it goes about 15 pips, I feel like it might just reverse all of a sudden.
That's why we use a 50 pips to 60 pips target for these kind of levels. So you can go from 1R to 2R, depends on how good looking is the level. So just enter, bro. Don't worry about it.
I think that's what's stopping me here.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, yeah? Sorry. I have a question here. Now, in the Telegram group, is this not, for me, in other places, this is where the Telegram group is supposed to be very helpful. Somebody spot a situation like that. I mean, we are all learning, so to speak. This is where you throw out a question in a group. There, look, guys, I found this. Is anybody going for this or not? Because by the time you do a second time, a third time, because with winning, your confidence will build. But if you are there on your own, you are trying to trade, nobody to talk to.
Listen. Just an advice from me. Don't count on anyone to get a boost of confidence from, because once you do that, you will never, ever be independently successful in the markets. Get that confidence from your own self, and the confidence you will get after a few failures, and then you start getting some winners and you get answers by yourself. You know, I for me personally, no offense to any of my mentors, but I never really had that one mentor to sit with me and answer all my doubts. Like I had like 99 questions. I had to go to the chart forward test. Okay, don't backtest. Backtesting SNR is shit. Just forward test. Take that demo and keep trading trades. By time you will create your own answers, bro. Your own strategy, your own, not own strategy, but own rules to your strategy. Don't get like, hi guys, what do you think about this sale? No, don't do that. Just tell yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Should I still focus on lower risk entries? That's the best for now, bro.
Yeah? Low risk, if you're gonna focus on it purely, use 10 pairs, 5 pairs. You know what I'm saying? If you are going to look at it alongside with other entries, for sure, bro.
At the moment, I'm just looking at gold, bro, and I'm just looking at low and like.
Okay, forgot. If you're gonna use gold only, I'm getting to it. So the entries, I'm just showing you how to start your storyline. So it's either from QM, a gap, or apex. Right? But what if you miss all of these? Let's say you was sick that day and price keep going lower. What you're gonna have created here?
Fresh levels, caps.
Fresh levels. You do the same thing. M1 continue, right? M1 continue, right? So if the H4 fresh, H1 also fresh, looking good, sell instantly. You don't really have to use M1. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if it fails, just go there and then sell again. Understand what I'm saying? Until you reach your target.
Bro, if H4 is fresh and H1 isn't, then would you choose one just slightly above that's fresh, yeah?
Yeah, on H1, yeah.
Okay.
But if the H1 next fresh is way too far, I go back to
H4.
Exactly, bro. You already know, bro. Why are you waiting for low risk?
Well, it's just no, but that's the thing, bro. Like, because at the moment, that's the only thing I know what to trade. Because you know what you said about obviously prop firms and stuff. So that's the only thing I'll be looking at. I don't know.
For prop firms, use continuation, low risk, and decision level. I'm coming to decision level. Decision level, I have my own definition to it. So I don't know if any of the guys here attended some Arif classes, but I don't use it the same way he does. So for me, decision level is the last gap. So for storyline, we learned that it's last A, V or A. Decision level is the last gap. So if that gap gets broken, wait for pullback, entry. Okay, H4, H1 of course. H1 has to be fresh with H4. So pullback, entry, 80 pips TP, 100 pips TP, right? Very, very, very simple. Look at this. It's not for storyline. It's not solid. And then price.
Explain about
this is the gap,
hedging.
right? Price come back here and sell. Price sometimes go for drawdown. Why? Because H4 is fresh and H1 is not
fresh. Yeah.
Right. So you look for the H1 fresh here and sell. Don't hesitate to enter, bro. Like, take the entry, take it, and if you lose, fuck it. because you will lose at some point. You're not
Yeah.
going to have 100% win rate, bro. You're gonna have to learn that the hard way, mate.
Brother, can we use this in H1?
Decision, no. Decision is only on
Yes.
H4.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you the use of H1. Let's say you are confused with H1, with H4 or whatever, and you want to get a quick scalp.
Yeah, because
On
like H4 at
H1
the moment, bro, it looks so choppy to me. So I
Yeah,
just don't
so
know what to do. Yeah.
yeah, exactly. So we go to H1 and look at structure. So if structure, the last structure that has been made, so you might have something like this, a high, okay, that got broken. Okay, better two highs. So if they get broken, wait for pullback and buy. It's very simple. This is like basic structure stuff. So as you can see here, what do you have here? Two lows that got broken, right?
Yeah.
Price pull back to the last candle, sell, right? And then price here, high, break in the low. It doesn't have to break you with the body. It's not like SMC, right? So break, and then pull back to the last candle. You can sell. Aligning with what? Daily story.
Average.
Yeah,
Daily.
you can use this engulfing with H1, M30, and M15, best time frames. So start with H1, if not go to M30. M30 is really good for it. And then M15. So if you get an H1 engulfing, refine it to M30, right? Don't overcomplicate it, guys. It's very simple. What do you see here? Candle that broke, low, right? Price pull back, entry, right? What do you see here? What do you see here? Break, pull back, entry, pull back, entry. See that? It's
Those
everywhere.
are like order blocks.
Yeah, it's basically order books. See this high? Pull back, entry there, entry there. See what I'm saying? If anyone fails, like this one, I entered a buy and it failed. Now I'm in a sell. See, I'm 30, breaking this high, and then what happened? It's going lower, so I wait for pullback and sell.
I think this
Break
is
a
what
block.
confuses me. Yeah.
It's very simple, bro. It's very simple. This is on H1. Like it's basic structure. Basic structure. Low, high, low. Sell, right? Any questions?
Which is the candle that you do the zone from? Because sometimes it's
It's basically the last one because I had a sell limit here, but it didn't trigger. So
okay.
I basically took some entries here, but
cool.
that's not my with my plan. You know what I'm saying? My plan is to sell here. So if price come back, I might sell here again. Yeah. Yeah. I want to sell here, guys, because it's a low risk for tomorrow. Why? Check H4. So H4 break. Once H4 break, you wait for pullback to the apex. This is the apex, but it has a big wick. So you go to H1, and on H1, you take this one, right? So you have two fresh levels. Price might do this and might do that. And here is where you apply your M1. Okay, Omar, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, decision level, I went through it. It's basically the last gap has been made before the touch. Continuations are the ones that basically can stack entries with that and H1. If you combine continuation H4 and H1 engulfing, right? I might send you some videos about engulfing to learn from it in deep details if you want to have the experience yourself. But what I showed you here is more than enough. Okay? So if you combine these, you will be able to stack.
So what do you
both
mean by
sides.
engulfing on these, bro?
Engulfing is basically, you know what I'm saying, something that rallies, boom, and it breaks something. So it pull back entry, breakout, pull back, entry. Got it?
Yeah.
Can see that.
Breakout. What you say?
We didn't see that. The last things we were trying to. Okay, that's fine now.
I did not really hear what you were saying.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay. Questions? I think I forgot. Yes. The scalping method is going to confuse you. Yeah. And you don't really need it for now. So I have a challenge for you guys.
You were doing medium risk, and you went to low risk. Well, I'm not sure if you concluded that low risk. If you think so,
Low risk. We have
because
decision,
you were doing the medium risk.
low risk. We have
And
high risk. We have rejection. We have the scalping, and we have the 2 time frames of breakout. So these ones are not for today. Not even the next session, because you don't need it. Yeah.
Okay.
So open a demo account, guys. Demo account. And charge it $100 or $1,000. Okay, it's up to you. Because some people start with 100, some people start with 1,000, right? So open a demo, and you can guys share your investor passwords in the group named 4, right? You can share your investor passwords to each other, maybe take a look at each other, and you share me some results. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Say continuation, low risk, decision, yeah, with 20%, 30% risk per trade. I feel like I forgot some things, but it's fine. So yeah. Hope you guys got something good from today's session.
Definitely.
Yeah, bro.
But
Definitely.
what I would have loved actually is an actual trade example, like what you took in the last few days, or and just show, look, this is what I did in the last 2 or 3
that's what
days.
I did now.
Sorry?
That's 2 or 3 days. Okay.
No, I'm just saying so that we can. We've seen the
take
examples. I want to see as if, okay, you're going to take a trade. This is what I did. This is what I saw. You mark them out, and I can see, because remember, the idea is this probably for some people the first time I'm actually seeing you do this. Now, for me to go and replicate it, I need to have obviously this recording you give back, but then I need to be able to see something like a holding hand. We all learn differently.
No worries, brother. Okay, so what you have here, daily level, right? We touch it or not? We touch it.
Yeah.
Stick H4. And then on H4, wait, I'm quite confused with the double. Okay, so let's take this for example. Daily level, we touch it there. You go to H4. Isn't this the last gap level that has been made before the touch?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a decision level. Confirm it with H1, right? H1 is fresh or not?
No.
Not fresh. Where would be your entry? Right?
At the gap.
Yes. So price pull back there, and that would be your entry. We entered over here because H1 made a clear break downside, and the level just looks pretty good.
Bro, that's what I was going to say. Sorry. Yeah, so over the last few days, there's been a lot of H4 gap levels, but the fresh ones. But when I refine it to H1, price never comes back to that.
I mean, price sometimes do that, or maybe your refinement is just bad because it doesn't do it a lot.
Broker feed.
Use Pepperstone. Use Pepperstone, guys. Always Pepperstone.
Yeah.
If price failed this level, I would have sold here from a low risk sell, and then price does what? It goes lower, makes H4 level for continuation, right? Breaks. That's the closest level. Goes touch, and then makes this a decision level. And then price. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. See H4, 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 continuation. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then it was all zapped. All of that was zapped today or something.
Yeah, bro, but continuation, you're not going to hold for 100 pips.
Okay, see, that's another information now that I need to know.
I told you, bro, a continuation, you're going from 1R to 2R, that's it. So 30 to 60 pips, whatever you're comfortable with. I personally suggest 50, 60 pips.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 hour, maybe take partial break. Bro, create your own plan. I'm not gonna teach you that.
Bro, you know this one, yeah? If you go up slightly, you know you made your line. How come you put it there rather than slightly up?
This?
The top one. No, up. The one right at the top. Just above that one, bro.
This?
Yeah. Why did you not put it just there? What
Because
was your reason? No,
because
slightly
if
up
you-
and next to the gap level for the 2 bearish ones.
this is
There, yeah, there.
because you see this break, right? Where is the closest H4 level to the current price? It's this one.
Oh, is that how you look at it? That way. Okay.
Continuation, yeah. Closest level to the current price. Pullback, entry. Ta-da! You know what I'm saying? And then price
sorry,
pull
bro.
back. Yeah.
I have one question, sorry. You know, on the on this chart, you've got that giant green candle on the 14th, and it's got 2 fresh levels that essentially touch it. One of them is more closer to where it reacts off. The other, it just goes right through it. The one that it goes right through, because there's another level that it's actually reacted off more closely, is the one that it goes through still fresh? You know, the
Can you repeat
V-shaped
that?
one. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, that one. You know,
Yeah.
that level, that level, is that still fresh? Because the
No. So you're talking about if yeah, I see what you're doing. So if price does this, is it fresh?
yeah, like as in
Nah,
if at the top it reacts from a different
No.
level.
Doesn't matter. Wick, not fresh.
Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Cool.
wick, not fresh. No matter how wicked it is or whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Lovely.
I was going to say it came nicely to that level
Bro,
today.
I can see that you're a bit tired now, and the concentration these days, more than an hour and 30 minutes. That is seriously, I'm a teacher, so I don't understand these things. So I think maybe we can stop here and then
No.
we can schedule-
It's fine. I won't stop, bro, because the next session is not going to be this week, so it's going to be Saturday session.
Yeah,
Bro,
but we
what
have
time is it
enough
gonna be?
things to
Saturday?
look at. We have enough to
Saturday,
work
8 p.m.
with.
UK time.
That's
Believe
fine.
me, you have enough to work with. I guaranteed what we have now.
No, bro. Don't worry. I have
Okay,
like
that's fine.
some of you are quite advanced with it, so I have to give you everything you need. You know what I'm saying? Maybe for you, yes, but for the others, no.
Look, I mean, I understand what you're saying. I was just saying because if you look
It's
at
okay.
it,
It's
it's
okay,
two
bro.
ways.
Yeah, it's okay. Just a moment. Okay, so someone was asking me. Yeah. So I said if it weaks, it's still fresh. Okay. So you're wondering that's why price reacted here?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
No. It's okay. Because
Oh yeah, it's one of those beauties.
no worries, bro.
Did you take the entry there? Today's sells?
Bro, CE is everywhere, bro. Even on M1, even on seconds chart. When I used to trade SMC, I used to play around
What,
15
15
chart.
seconds? Oh my
Yeah,
god, that's
yeah,
insane.
I used to get some insane, crazy sniper. Like my broker would suss me for that. Like how freaking sniper it is. Like it's to the pip. Yeah. So, yeah. What do we have? Questions, please. Questions, guys. So
yes, my question will be. Sorry, I mean, my question will be when the class is scheduled, how do we get to know? When you want to have another class, how do I get to know?
Saturday, 8 p.m. UK time, but if it's delayed, it's going to be the same time today, Tuesday, 8 p.m. UK time. Okay.
And every week is something new, bro. Yeah.
Not yet.
Every week, something new.
There's nothing new here.
I'm not sure about every week something new, but surely we'll get more experience, and we're gonna do a lot of trade breakdowns.
Thank you very much. That's what I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, bro. And in the new group, like for the new students, I don't know if all of you are there, but share entries there, like for newbies and stuff. I'm gonna create maybe another newbies group.
I'm gonna ignore the
Yes.
other group, bro, for now because it's not
Bro,
helping
like
me.
the other group are going crazy. Not even me can understand the
I mean,
entries.
I had to mute it because
Bro,
there's
they be
about a
on some
million
mad
messages
thing,
coming
man.
in.
Yeah.
They be on steroids, bro.
I mean, I was gonna ask you, bro. You probably know, yeah. What's the reason they keep sending like 30-minute chart time frame like entries? Like, what's the reason? I don't understand.
It's okay. So someone maybe took an entry on H4, but on M30 it looks pretty, so he just screenshots it there. Doesn't have to be M30 entry.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it has.
Yeah. So the new Omar with the old yeah. Do you like the session so far?
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
Yeah,
Because
Really good.
very good.
you've been sent from 30 flips, I have to make sure that you got something good.
Oh, I have to admit, yeah, the way you do storyline is flipping brilliant.
That's
Yeah.
fucking
It's
good.
absolutely brilliant.
Let's go, man.
Yes,
And
basically, I
especially the
like the way
CE part, yeah.
I mean, the
yeah,
CE part, that's like some, icing on the
mean,
cake and stuff. That's some
I
good shit.
mean,
Yeah.
you have
Yes,
not done any CE here. Please don't say that you didn't do CE. You just said that is for
Yeah,
people.
not yet. It's not yet. It's not time.
Okay.
yeah.
You,
Don't
you,
worry.
you got to graduate. You got to graduate first for that.
Nah.
Come on,
Don't worry,
bro.
guys.
Come on, bro. Don't do that. It's I mean, look, I have been trading for a long time, and the problem is you really don't get people who know this to teach. People you see around, they don't know nothing. They just come up, they say things, they display things, and you get there and you are waiting for something to happen, nothing happens. And you get upset, you leave that place looking for another one, So if
Yeah,
you get
bro. So after few days, you will also leave my mentorship. lah.
really, you
I'm
must be
joking.
joking.
Yeah,
You
of
must be
course.
joking.
No, I'm not, bro.
I respect your privacy. So if not, I would have been sending messages, but I just wanted this day to come. I know I have some materials to work with, and I'm really pleased that you've taken time to talk to us and show us a few
Of
things. And
course,
that's
bro.
for
Of
me,
course.
it's really important.
Yes,
And
bro.
I
Yes.
mean,
Thank you.
you
Thank you for
you
showing
just answered the
gratitude.
question and you said what you need to say, and that's it.
That's it, bro. Yes, that's good. I love your accent, mate. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. Who's
Amin
got
is
more
running.
question? I'm running out of accents, guys. Do you have any other questions,
he's
guys?
adding African accent.